Bacteria are the oldest living organisms containing few genes. Seeing a cell small but should not be overlooked by all means. The level symbol allow to do a few tasks in a short period of time, consume nutrients and do bladder efficient divided at the prime. So small, how can they worsen diseases like cystic fibrosis? Despite aggressive antibiotic treatment, still poor prognosis. You see, they may be small in size, but they have strength in numbers. With 10 times more cells than human cells, they can truly work wonders. They're capable of elaborate communication, they're a true blessing. So with that, I'm done. Let's turn it over now to Quorum sensing.
Quorum sensing is the way bacterial hormone communicates. It releases an autoinducer that acts as a surrogate to indicate the estimate number of delegates, but how does this translate update their state into whether they can launch an attack and dominate? All these bacteria have a sensor, a checker, a detector. It's usually called the receptor, where the molecules enter. They act as a vector, and that's how they know when to affect her, but they lie in wait until there's mandate to cooperate. That activates the signal to decimate, dedicate their united forces to terminate. It's unfortunate news, but enter fate, checkmate. Intraspecies, interspecies, please. It's how they communicate, it's their line of expertise. They attack when they reach large numbers. It's what makes them really, really effective hunters. Private chats, public speeches, they do it all. Sometimes even using alcohols. Unique molecules, it's how they organize between their colleagues and their allies. Now I gotta stop before I give you a lyrical hangover. My poor Andrew's coming in with a squid takeover.
One of the first examples of quorum sensing was very real fisher eye, when dilute no bioluminescence is visible to the human eye. However, high cell density bacteria internalize simultaneously. Hawaiian bobtail squid interacts with these bacteria quite intimately. Each morning, bacteria pump to accumulate for the day. Those that synthesize enzyme creates lactone at night, part of the chemical pathway. And 3-oxyhydroxyanoyl homoserine lactone is secreted. Once the critical values hit, Luxor binds and transcription is directed. Also, CDAB operon is transcribed, produces glowing light. With positive and negative feedback, the squid can trick predator eyesight. The squid controls light output like a shutter, mimic the moonlight. Blending into the nighttime environment, the squid is safe and stealthy at night.
You might have heard we're knocking on death's door, running out of medicines at the drugstore. I'll tell you right now, in a nutshell, what we got currently just pops the cell. Now they can't replicate, this means they're dead. But now we've selected for resistance widespread. That's not good, but here's something that's new. Targeting quorum sensing is something we can do. The first thing we targeted is the interspecies system, where they lock into receptors as part of their mission. They jam the system, it's not untrue. This means their attack doesn't know when to debut, and what this does is let you choose one type of bacterial attack to excuse, but this was only one proposed method. There's another way to help the infected. The interspecies system, it's a catch-all, and targeting it might be the best protocol. This is it, it's all I got. I hope you can keep up with my speedy train of thought. I can understand you might be distraught from witnessing my lyrical bio onslaught.
So with that, we're completed with our rap. Before we drop the mic, here's a quick recap. Bacteria are small but can do big things. Communication is key, call that quorum sensing. In the case of disease, bacteria must communicate. Stop this bacteria signal, hell yeah, that's how we operate.